Hey guys, this is your boy. Sorry, I haven't changed the name yet. I will pretty soon. So the U36B hasn't come in yet, but once it does, it I will do a review about it. And yeah, so this is the plan of the fugitive train wreck. So let's say that this is the GP30, and these are going to be some of the cars that have some of the unscrewed trucks. I'm not thinking of using these kind of freight cars because they're just a little nice, a little too nice, and this is the rest of the train. I think these freight cars are too nice to crash in. I mean, I could wash off the trucks and all, but I'm not going to feel like it. So the plan is that I'm gonna take these old Tyco freight cars and try to pop off these trucks. So once it goes into a ditch, all of these trucks will pop right out or fall out. So for the wreck, all the trucks are gonna fall out and make it so it looks like a bad crash. So once it goes through the switch and the USB has already gone down the main line with the bus, gonna crash, I guess, and all the trucks are gonna pop out like this. So all the trucks are gonna pop out, and then make it so it looks like a bad crash. This might take a minute. Alright, so the locomotive is gonna crash right here, and then all the trucks are gonna pop right out. Just make it so it looks like a pretty bad crash on camera. But yeah, let's see the bus. Okay, so the bus that we're going to be using is going to be paper bus. The reason why that we're using a paper bus is because I can't find any buses that are like destructive that can fall apart easily. So, hang on. Okay, so the bus is going to be right here, and let's say that this is the U36B. So the train is going to hit the bus. It's going to cripple. Yeah, let's see if we can make it cripple. Just like that. So it makes it looks like we're trying to make it look like it out. I'll try to make it look like so it crippled in front of the train. But for right now, that's how it's going to work. So this bus is going to be in front of the U36B. And I'm going to try to set this thing on fire while it's going down the tracks. And then we're going to cut the scene and then switch it to this train. And that's going to be the actual derail. And that's going to be the actual derailment. So the U36B is just for the bus and the bus catching on fire. Yeah. Want to have a little figure, like a little HO scale figure. I think I have one somewhere, but we're going to use him as Harrison Ford. and that'll be the plan. So the place that we're going to be recording is going to be in my backyard, where most of the dirt is, obviously. I don't know if I'm gonna have power on the track. I'm going to try. Well, I'm going to try to make it as perfect as possible. But thank you all for watching. Please hit that subscribe button for the train wreck and the U36B review, and I'll see you all next time.